Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Oh, apologies. Bumped the camera. Friday, March the 24th, 2023. Almost weekend. I've already solved two puzzles. 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The binary. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yeah, it's the binary time now. Let me position the camera. Alright. Binary puzzle number 6167. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second O, again. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. So those two boxes should be an O then. Alright, here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Let me see. Well. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. That box should be a 1 then. Alright. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Yeah. Well. Time for comparing. Yeah. One completed row. Yeah. Where's the opening? The opening. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There one. Feels 3 O's. Not the same. 1, 2. Look to this row, column and the last column. To the O's. Well, no, let me compare. O, empty box. 1, O. Totally different. No, it's totally different. So I cannot compare. Totally different. Totally different. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. Where is the opening? The opening, the opening. 010. Do we have 010 here? No. Cannot find the solution here. No. Double O here, no. We don't have here double O. Double one here, no. Ay, 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 ay. I can compare this one and the first row. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4, yes. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Right. Now. And now. Need to compare again. This looked like the same. This row, that row. Right, empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4, okay. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Need to compare again. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Come on. Double 1 here, double 1 here, but it's not the same. How about 100 here? Here we have a 100. This row in the last row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. Need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4. Completed in 8 minutes. Well, a lot of comparing, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle. The Checksonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.